parang intro ko all the time. Good morning! Yes, so yesterday we went to the store. We're just gonna buy some milk, right? So yeah, right. We buy some milk. And we end up buying all this things. So yeah, dapat milk lang talaga bibili namin. What are you doing? Let me see. Be careful, love.
I think it's better to have scissors.
Scissor. Oy, be careful. Come on, babe. Get the scissor. So, ayan yung binili nila yesterday. A gun. Now, we spent like 3 hours in the store. Just to decide if they're gonna buy that or not. Uy. Be careful now. Uy, that's wrong way.
Have to pull it.
Yeah, turn it, turn. Like a screw. Yeah, turn it. Keep on turning.
What's this? What do we have to put there?
That one.
Oh, you just have to close after put it. You have to close it.
No, you have to put the bullet first.
Yeah, but just try.
There you go. They put it all. Tingnan nyo, damage namin sa floor. Ang gulo na ng bahay namin. That's our... Go, love, love. Uy!
Ay, sorry.
Don't you sorry me. Guys, I wanna open this. Nabili namin to kahapon din. So, I'm so excited to unbox this one. Let's unbox! Aray! Ouch! Ito gatan ako. Habang naliligo si Dudong, i-open muna natin to. De, i-facial ko yung face niya later. So, habang nagwa-wash siya ng kanyang face lock, i-open muna natin to. And... So, ganyan siya, guys. You have to squeeze it. Squeeze it. You have to squeeze it. Pag stress na stress ka, ito yung gawin mong stress reliever. Yung may gusto kang suntukin. Yung may gusto kang squeeze na tao, ito lang squeeze nyo. Ano siya. Tapos babalik lang siya sa kanyang hugis. So guys, ito yung mga gamit na gagamitin ko for the facial of Mushy Boy.
Booster mode, level 1. Microcurrent Dermot Airshot mode, level 1.
Okay? Okay? Next is booster mode.
Microcurrent mode, level 1.
Mode.
Dermashot mode, level 1.
How you feel, love? So guys, matagal na to. Actually, last January 1 pa to. Gusto ko siyang tingnan kasi naku-curious talaga ako kung anong itsura nito sa loob. So ngayon, i-open natin because naku-curious talaga ako. Ay! Let's see. So what? One, two, three. Sharan! Wow! Oh my gosh! Ang cute niya! Late na siya sa Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas, guys! So, ayan yung Poland, France, Belgium, Switzerland, and Italy. Next, guys, is this one. ASMR yarn. Bubuksan natin to kasi excited na akong kainin to. Wala nang diet. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 flavors. If I'm not mistaken, hindi. 6 flavors lang pala. Same lang pala ito at saka ito. 6 flavors. This product is from Italy. Ayan! Wow! Ayan siya sa loob. Wow! Bongga! Maganda siya kasi nakaganyan. Ito ay milk, blueberry. Hindi ko gusto yung blueberry. Ay, naku, raspberry. Chocolate. Cacao cream. Pastry cream. Try natin itong chocolate. Masarap kaya siya. Ayan. Akala ko cookies. Hindi siya cookies, parang siyang croissant. Ang sarap niya, parang Nutella yung chocolate. And this one, guys, hindi ko pa siya na-open. I wanna open. Gusto ko makita ang loob, pero sayang siya i-open. Ayun. Product from Belgium. I wanna open it, but sayang siya. Hold on. Kaya ko siya gustong i-open kasi curious ako sa laman. Gusto ko siya. Akin na. Pero pag hindi ko siya gusto. Ay, maganda din ang laman niya. Ganyan siya, oh. Naka-chocolate pack siya. So, hindi ko nga din makikita ang laman. Babalik ko na siya sa loob. Alam niyo ba na tinatamad ako ngayon? Tingnan niyo naman yung niluto ko. Nagluto lang ako ng sausage dye. Tapos magluto tayo ng scrambled egg. Tapos meron naman chicken doon. Chicken at saka sausage lang yung pambaon ni Mash ngayon. Most of the time, tinatamad ako. Meron din times talaga na gusto kong magluto. Yung feeling chef ako ba. Mga langga, pagtiisan nyo yung ulam natin, yung dinner natin pang breakfast. Batilin ang itlog. Pinakamahirap na pagkain sa buong mundo. Eat na. Sakit ng likod ko ay. Dito ay batok pala. I want you to stay. Ooh, till I'm in the grave. Dito na yung baon ni Spanish bread. Ayan yung baon niya today. And ito, yung rice niya, nilagyan ko lang yan ng frikake. So, ayan ang baon ni Spanish bread. Enjoy your lunch later, Dodong. Gusto ko magkape. Gawa nga tayo ng kape, day. Very cutesy. Very demure. Very stylish. I'm dying for this talaga. Ang ganda ng mug ko. Hogwarts. O, diba? Color changing ito, guys. Pag nag-cool down siya, magiging black siya lahat. As in, magiging black mug siya. Pero pag mainit siya, ayan, lalabas yung image niya. Finally, nakapag-coffee na din ako. As in, ang tagal ko din hindi nakapag-coffee. Siguro mga 1 week. Yung coffee ko dito sa bahay. Kasi bumibili kasi sa Spanish bread ng coffee sa labas. Starbucks, minsan yung McCafe, ganon. Look at that. Very cutesy. Crave ako ng pancit canton. And since cheese is life, nilagyan ko siya ng parmesan. Ayan. Diba? Tingnan natin kung masarap ba na may cheese. Sobrang sarap. Na-award ako, day. Bakit daw ako nakatayo kumain? May lamesa naman daw doon at saka may upuan. So, ayan guys, dito ko natatapusin ang video na to kasi marami pa talaga akong gagawin and hindi ako makapag-concentrate pag nagvi-video. Tapos, eto, i-edit ko pa to today. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for watching, guys. And I hope to see you on my next video. Gracias!